Hello. I, Mirovic, have a background in IT and programming. I'm also about to begin a course in Mechatronics, which combines mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering to create smart systems. I'm excited to explore how blockchain can complement these areas and drive innovation. My skills in programming, cybersecurity, and system design align well with blockchain, especially in secure data management and decentralized systems. With Mechatronics, I see opportunities to use blockchain in robotics, IoT, and smart factories, for example, ensuring secure communication between devices or enhancing transparency in automated systems. My experience with blockchain is theoretical so far, but I'm eager to gain hands-on knowledge. I'm particularly interested in smart contracts and applying blockchain to industries like manufacturing and automation. Through this course, I aim to learn the technical foundations of blockchain and its practical applications. My goal is to explore how blockchain can enhance mechatronics, such as enabling secure collaboration in robotics or improving traceability in production lines. I'm thrilled and excited to collaborate with others who share a passion for blockchain. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing your comments on this video.